Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Allison Wood. I'm co-founder and CEO of CameraIQ. CameraIQ is the first camera experience manager. We help and enable brands to create, manage, and publish camera content, or AR experiences, across cameras, Facebook, Snapchat, and own cameras via our camera framework. I got into AR 7 years ago as an artist, turned agency, working with brands, trying to push the medium forward. So like you, I'm very familiar with this photo. Thank you, Vuforia. One major problem with AR marketing in its first incarnation, it didn't scale. We were asking brands to invest money in apps, to invest money in users downloading those apps. We were poring over what we thought were amazing tech demos only to have users go, oh, cool, okay, and move on. And it wasn't dynamic. It didn't update. So none of these experiences were contextual. We also probably were missing the point of how they were using the camera. Something's different today. The preconditions for an ecosystem exist. I say preconditions because we don't yet have an ecosystem, but here are the ways that I break it down. Hardware. We have 2.6 billion smartphones in the world. Users are on their camera. About 1 billion plus daily active users on platforms that have gone camera first. Big tech is invested. I should also mention it's bigger than big tech. All of you have been investing in this technology, helping to make computer vision a commodity, allowing us to actually think about it as a creative medium and a way to meet consumers there. Another big change is that brands really want to be here now. They understand that the camera has the ability to unlock us from the push-pull of information, that the camera can allow the real world and the internet to live in the same time and space. So how are consumers using the camera? Today, consumers are using the camera to create, communicate, and interact with each other. In fact, there's 2.8 billion daily opportunities to engage with your audience in the camera. That's probably conservative considering there's, what you said, 45 billion cameras in the world. This is really important though. Self-expression. The camera is a broader shift away from passive media consumption towards interactivity. And brands are starting to understand that. They're starting to understand that they have to co-create with their audience, allow them to express themselves. Today, the best way to get context is to allow the user to put that content in context. But where are we going? So if right now brands are interested in self-expression, co-creation, playing with their audience, we break it into people, things, and places. It's people right now. It's all about self-expression. Next, it'll be things. The rise of the real-world interface, product visualization, we're starting to see. Messenger did an awesome demo of that at F8. And then it'll be places. Places is contextual. The map is going to be super important. Brands want to be a part of this. They understand that like when the internet started, they needed a web page, or I should say a landing page, then a website. And when social started, they needed a Facebook page, an Instagram account, and then a Twitter handle. Today in the camera, they understand that they have to meet their consumers where they are. First on social, and then around their products, and then contextually where they are.